In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover MetaMask private key. This process is essential for anyone looking to access their cryptocurrency assets securely. Understanding how to recover your private key is a crucial skill. It ensures you can maintain access to your funds, especially if you need to switch devices or reinstall the application. So, let's dive into the steps. First, you will want to open MetaMask on your phone or browser extension. As the application launches, you will see your wallet interface. This is where you manage your cryptocurrencies and tokens. If you are using the browser extension, look for the Fox icon in your extensions bar. Click on it to open your wallet. If you are on your mobile device, find the MetaMask app and tap to open it. This initial step is vital because it sets the stage for recovering your private key. Next, select the account whose private key you want to recover. You will see a list of accounts if you have multiple ones. Each account corresponds to different wallets and can hold various assets. Click on the account you wish to recover. This is important because each private key is unique to its corresponding account. You want to ensure you are retrieving the correct one, as accessing the wrong key could lead to confusion or loss of funds. Now, open Settings and look for Security and Privacy. This option is usually located at the bottom of the menu. When you click on Settings, a new window will appear with several options including security and privacy. Selecting this ensures you are taking the right steps to manage the security of your wallet. It also emphasizes the importance of keeping your information secure, which is crucial in the world of cryptocurrency. From there, choose Manage Recovery Methods. You will then see an option for Reveal Secret Recovery Phrase. This is where you will initiate the process to access your private key. Click on that option and then click Get Started. This step is significant because it guides you through a secure method of revealing sensitive information. Following this path ensures you are protected during the recovery process. After that, answer the questions prompted on your screen. These questions typically serve as a security measure to verify your identity. It's essential to answer them accurately. This step is crucial because it confirms that you are the rightful owner of the account. If you answer incorrectly, you may not be able to proceed to the next step, which can be frustrating. Next, enter your MetaMask password or biometrics to reveal the private key. When you complete this action, your private key will be displayed on the screen. Make sure to store it somewhere secure and offline. This is essential to prevent unauthorized access to your wallet. Keeping your private key offline reduces the risk of hacking or phishing attempts, ensuring your assets remain safe. Now, let's go over some important security reminders. Never share your private key or secret recovery phrase with anyone. This information is like the keys to your bank account. If someone else gets access, they can control your assets. MetaMask support cannot recover them for you if they are lost. This highlights the importance of safeguarding your information diligently. Lastly, remember that imported accounts are not restored by your secret recovery phrase. Accounts added with a private key must be backed up separately. This means you need to keep track of those keys independently to ensure you do not lose access. Understanding this distinction is crucial for effective management of your cryptocurrency holdings. This concludes the steps for recovering your MetaMask private key. Follow these instructions carefully to ensure you maintain access to your funds. Always prioritize security and keep your recovery information safe and secure. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate your MetaMask recovery process smoothly.